on behalf of Veeam team, we're excited to be sharing these 2 days with you. So welcome to VeeamON 2022.
We are very focused on the future and what we're doing. We've just showed you all of these different components: Kubernetes, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, virtual environments. We're not only protecting them, we're helping to manage them, giving you better security, giving you modern data protection. And together, this room, our audience, the people online, we will give the confidence that we can unlock the future of a data-driven world.